guys! Welcome back to another vlog. So kahapon ka-vlog ko lang dahil gumawa kami ng leche flan. Ngayon mag-vlog ulit ako dahil mag-workout ako. Ipapakita ko na yung workout routine ko. This is, hindi siya isusunod-sunod ko ha, like, you know, pero I will update you and balik alindog na tayo. Yeah, mag-workout na ako. This is my third time na mag-workout. Pero, uunahan ko na kayo. Alternate akong nag-workout. Like, alternate. Ngayon, mag-workout. Bukas, hindi. Tapos, mag-workout ulit. Hindi. Workout, hindi. Workout, hindi. Ganun yung ginagawa ko. Nakakapag-vlog ako ng konting, you know, workout scenario. Dahil nasa baba tayo and libre yung first floor. So, magagamit natin yung laptop as my monitor para paggayahan. And, of course, my phone to be my camera. Sobrang simple lang ng workout routine ko. And, kung kilala ninyo, of course, sino bang hindi nakakakilala kay Chloe Ting? Halos lahat tayo kilala natin si Chloe Ting. So, siya yung ginagaya ko. On my lips, EB Advanced Lip and Cheek Roller in the shade Red Bomb. Uy, ba't may pula ka dyan? Mukhang may tutugong tigyawan, but it's okay. Alright. So, sana hindi magkaroon ng logging problem. Logging problem. Okay, so I will set up this doon sa may ayan, isi-set up ko lang dyan para maging maayos yung ano natin and para kita ninyo ko. Malaki naman yung space dito, so pwede na. Okay, set up ko lang. I have my water, so now let's start. Part 2, which is yung legs naman, kasi mas nakakahingal yung legs. So, kumbaga parang malumanay, highest level, and then yung ab workout kasi medyo tama lang, hindi na siya masyadong nakakahingal. So, yun yung parang cool down ko. Baliktad pala. Baliktad pala sinabi ko. Yung ab workout pala yung sobrang nakakahingal. Pero yung thigh, hindi na masyado. So, workout na tayo sa abs.
So, some of you guys are fans of mountain climbers or climbs, so you're gonna love this standing abs workout. Smash that like button, subscribe, and also leave a comment down below with your progress. Let's get started.
Okay, so last part na tayo ng workout ko, which is yung legs. Don't worry, nakainom na ako ng tubig, pero inom ulit ako before tayo mag-start. Pero yes, full body no jumping workout to burn fat. Yeah. Pero ang ano nito, ang target nito is more on legs.
Hey guys, we've got no jumping workout today. It's great for slimming down the thighs and also the waistline, and it brings the heart rate to the optimal level for fat burning. It is low to moderate intensity depending on your fitness journey. So if you're trying to slim and tone your legs, remember to stick to the program and remember to take progress photos or videos and share it with the rest of the community who's here to support you. So smash that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications, and let's get started.
yan. Oh, grabe, medyo napagod ako doon. Hindi ko na ganun tinapos yung leg workout kasi medyo hingal ako and wala ako totally sa mood na mag-workout. Ano lang, nag-workout lang ako dahil schedule ngayon ceased. Kaya, napa-workout si Mayora. Pero, yes, wala po ako sa mood. Pero, yes, hanggang, ito lang talaga yung vlog ko para sa araw na to. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng vlog. I hope you enjoy. And please do like this video if you enjoy, and if you haven't subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, and share this video. And comment ka na rin kung ano yung mga vlog na gusto mo pang makita dito sa aking channel. Follow me on my social media accounts para of course meron tayong para of course meron tayong interaction outside YouTube. Pasensya na kung medyo nanginginig ako. So see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!